Their first playground swing encounter, and they are loving it. You want to swing, Mama? Hey, Jay, you want to swing? Yeah. Where's Marlon? Hey! In the swing.
Her arm.
What you doing, Jay? You hanging back? You having fun, hey, Scoop? You on the swing. He's like, you stop pushing. What is the problem?
Yep, learn. Back and forth. In and out.
Swing. Swing. Yeah. Hi. Jay's not even swinging. Say, swing me. There we go. There we go. Whee! Whee! Come on, I'm videotaping hello, and you're sitting here stopping. Yeah, tell her, cut it out.
That's all this is.